Meaning of high day.
High day.
High day.
High day.
High day. The phrase high day is often used to refer to an important or significant day. It can be associated with religious or cultural celebrations, such as feast days or national holidays, or with individual milestones like birthdays or anniversaries. The term high day suggests a level of excitement or significance beyond the ordinary and is often accompanied by special activities or traditions. Overall, high day represents a momentous occasion that holds a special place in the hearts and minds of those who celebrate it.